What is up, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today we are rocking a new hoopty, so we're gonna take it to get it cleaned. I'm gonna be cleaning it myself, and surprising my dad. Tomorrow is his birthday, so I wanna give him this nice little Benz we got for him. He said he likes these things. He loves these Mercedes, so gotta go get it cleaned and deliver it tomorrow morning. Hopefully he's gonna like it. He saw the car, but he wasn't able to check it out and look inside and any of the stuff because it was covered in snow. But so hopefully I can get it cleaned in a few hours, take it back home and park it for him so he can check it out. So guys, this car smells like coconut lotion. I don't know if that's a thing, but damn, it smells. So hopefully we can get that coconut stuff off the steering wheel. I think that's where the smell is coming from. This thing is solid. A little shaky on the steering wheel, but overall runs pretty good. Dirty, very dirty. It needs a lot of cleaning. All right, guys, we are here and let's get the heat going. So, yep. All right, guys, we got a heat going. Okay, so now let's focus on this. So this is the 2006 E350. We just picked it out from the auction. Came with a little damage right here and down here. So I'm gonna call somebody, see if they can fix this without me removing the fender. Oh, there's a scratch here too. So other than that, the car looks pretty good, but I don't think my dad is gonna mind at all because he loves his Mercedes. So he's got the other one, 430, that he really appreciates a lot. It's a V8 and it's super fast, but he said he likes a little bit of E-Class, a little newer style. So let's go ahead. What kind of tires are these? Lingalanga. But these tires definitely need to go. I have a set on order. Yeah, these are gone. I have 4 tires coming in. They're not called Lingalanga, but I think they're called Land Spider. So not much of a difference. So let's go ahead and warm this up. Yeah, let's not get this going. So I brought all the tools, cleaning supplies. I don't know what's, oh, shiznit. Already damaged myself. A little frozen. Oh, perfect. Yeah, look at it. Oh, wide open, still not touched. All right, let's get the cleaning supplies out and start vacuuming and cleaning this thing. You know your car is old when you have an ashtray in the back door, back seats. So this is the stuff we bought for the first time. It's an industrial degreaser, works on concrete, machinery, tools. So we're gonna mix this with water and we'll see how this works because this guy's gonna need it. All right, so this is gonna be the first thing we're gonna try. It's a carpet cleaner and stains. So I guess we spray this on and then do a little brushing. So let's go see how this goes. All right, guys, so we're gonna pump this. We're gonna get the door actually first. So we'll see on the door how actually how good this works. See, I mean, it's a little bit yeah, let's get it started.